Hello beloved parents, is your child struggling with mathematics or rather physics and you are worrying how to ensure that he or she performs better? Worry no more. I provide online tuition as well as exam preparation. All you need to have is a smartphone or even a laptop is okay. So candidate name, I'm writing my name here. My name is Nicholas Omondi Abuga. Okay, center number can be 00076. Candidate number can be, for example, I was index 3 in my school, 0003. Now I move down to start answering the first question. Insert one pair of brackets only to make the following statement correct. You can do multiple choices. Let's start with the first one. If I place the bracket in the first two numbers, 6 plus 5 is 11. So 11 times this 10 will be 110. Okay. Minus 8 will not give us 16. So we ignore that. We move to the second one. We have 5 times 10. 5 times 10 is 50. 50 plus 6, that is 56. Minus 8 will give us around 48, which is not 16. So we ignore that bracket. We move to the third bracket. We can decide now to place 10 and 8. 10 minus 8, that is 2. 2 times this 5 is 10 plus 6 is 16. That's correct. So we've followed what is termed as BODMAS. After you've placed the bracket, you follow the BODMAS rule to confirm if you'll get the correct answer. So we start with the bracket, then of, division, multiplication, addition, then subtraction. The second question, calculate 8.24 plus 2.56 all over 1.26 minus 0.72. So we'll take 8.24 first. We start with the numerator, 8.24 plus 2.56. If you do that, you'll get 10.8, not 10.8. 4 plus 6, that is 10. 3 plus 5, that is 8. Yes, it is 10.8. 8 plus 2 is 10. Correct. So we are done with the numerator. Now let's go to the denominator. We have 1.26 minus 0.72. If you do that, you'll get 0.5454. Now we will take again numerator. Remember, numerator was 10.8 all over denominator, which is 0.554. If you do that, you'll get 20. For question 3, we are being told to write down the order of rotation of symmetry of this shape. A symmetry normally divides an object into two equal portions. So there are many ways we can divide this particular figure into two equal portions. So let's do it together. I can decide to divide it that way. There is a left hand portion which is symmetrical with the right hand portion. I can also decide to move it across. Again, the upward portion and the downward portion are equal. They are congruent. Again, I can decide to move this way. Again, I can decide to move this way. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. I cannot move past that. So they are 4. The order of symmetry in this shape is 4. Question 4. Write down two whole numbers that have a product of negative 15. Here, we are going to have two numbers. You just do your mathematics. For example, for you to know the product, you can decide to list down the factors of 15. Ignore the negative first. Factors of 15, these are numbers that you multiply with another number to get 15, right? So I can have 1. Because 1 times 15 is 15. So I can also have 3. 3 times 5 is giving me 15. I can also have that 5. 5 times 3 is 15. I can also have that 15. So these are the only factors. So I want to pick two of the numbers here. If I can get 15, then I'm good to go. If I pick 1 and 3, 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 15 is 15. So I'm having 1 and 15. Again, if I pick 3 and 5 again, 3 times 5, I'm also getting 15. So I can have either, because it is negative 15, we know very well that negative times positive is equal to negative. So I'm going to replace one of the number with the negative, okay? So let me place 1 and negative 15, or 3 and negative 5. Still correct answer. B